Hello and welcome to the Daily Facts video. These are new videos which are going to be posted every day, giving you little fun facts and information on gardening items. So I hope you enjoy them and make sure that you come back every day to see each day's daily fact. They'll be posted on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with when they're posted, or also check back on my website as they will be posted daily on there. And my website is www.theyorkshiregardener.com. Today's daily fun fact is about bamboo. Now, if you're not growing bamboo on your allotment, it is ideal to grow it. I've not got a bamboo plant, but after seeing this, I'm going to definitely go and get one, as I'm always buying garden canes and they are so expensive, unbelievably expensive, and they'll only last 4 or 5 years before they disintegrate and snap. So today's fun fact is bamboo canes. Did you know that they are actually the world's fastest growing woody plant, and they grow 35 inches in a day. They can grow up to 35 inches in one day. So why they sell bamboo so expensive, I do not know. So if you've got a space in your plot, go out and get a bamboo bush, as you will have endless supplies of garden canes, and I'm sure you'll be able to sell some to some of your neighbours at a cheap price. So bamboo grows up to 35 inches a day. So that has been today's daily fun fact. Make sure you come back for tomorrow's.